doing work, but what are they doing over there?
Well, that's a giant manure pit over there. Don't you smell it?
Well, yeah, I smell it. I just thought it was all the... Well, usually they camp over there.
Yeah, that's where we used to go. But there's not that many people.
I wonder what they're going to do this year, though. About camping for the
well, they're camping right there. Yeah, there's camping. Oh, they paved the whole thing. The whole thing's paved. Look at that. Is it? No.
No? They just had it packed down really good.
Oh.
See, that's what I was going to do, like an umbrella like that. I brought one. I was going to just keep the... But today, it's only supposed to be 82. Tomorrow's supposed to be 88. But I've been out here when it's 105 and it's miserable. And I never bring an umbrella, so I'm starting to learn the older I get.
Yeah.
I don't like sitting in the sun. That's it. Next week is Vibrations. Are there good Vibrations? That's who sponsored it next week. And they're right in like Santa Fe Springs. Not a big company, but we must have some money to sponsor all this.
Me too.
$5. Dang, that's the cheapest I've ever seen. Oh, you didn't grab your wallet.
Oh shit.
I got some money on me too.
Hold on. What do you got? I don't want anything. I brought food. That's why I didn't want you to bring anything, because you allocate money for food.
Yeah.
No one eats it. Not that it goes to waste, but
Got cash on me.
I'll go get some. We'll get my. Look at this guy. How he put the 57 on the side of the van. Well, that's Dan Chuck. He's here. He's here today. See what?
I see stickers. I always tell Bubba go grab stickers.
That's cool. I had vans. We had delivery vans like that. I wanted to do something like that.
Frankie would have been out here if he didn't do his chemo.
Okay, where's that 55? I gotta see this 55.
Black and white.
Black and white.
He said it's white. That's not right.
I think it's... Husband was telling me about this. Wow. It does not look like his car.
No. That's Beauty and the Beast.
Yeah. Wow. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. What a combination, huh? Hemi. First gen Hemi. Yeah.
Because now the guys cleaned it that much.
Yeah, I don't see a guy in it with a rag in his. Oh, there's a couple over there.
Top, they never go do door jams.
I guess when you build it, you have a whole different appreciation for keeping it clean. Especially when you're driving.
You're right.
I don't want it to look like I'm driving it all the time.
Well, that's good to see.
You know who that is right there? That guy's standing right there.
Who?
That's the Matson radiator.
That's Matson radiator?
Yeah, that's the old
Okay.
one. That's his son that's over there.
Okay. Well, that is a great combination, I tell you.
You see the one she got?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought it was pretty cool.
Yeah. It is. You can go to a Chrysler show and a Chevy show.
That's right. I haven't got kicked out of either one.
Yeah. I wouldn't kick this out of a beautiful car. God, he was a young man last time I talked to him. You lost a leg? From diabetes?
You're right, I haven't seen him.
I haven't seen it. It's been. I remember he delivered radio to our gas station. Has to be. I'm looking at him right now. It has to be 50 years ago.
His son runs it.
Okay, there's plenty more to see.
Oh yeah, I saw you drive by. Oh really?
Hold on.
Backseat driver. I almost went with yellow in my car. That's a nice combination, yellow with the tan. Yeah. Yeah. That looks like a taxi cab yellow. The other one. This one looks good. Tweety bird yellow. That does look good. That is nice and clear. No. I'm not trying not to get eye contact. The what? Oh yeah. 57, yeah. Yeah, look at how old. Oh, those are cool. Wow. The whole thing is nice. Wow. What's this?
Sally's Wagon, numbered matching car.
Wow.
Family photos. It's pretty cool.
And there's Sally. Both sets of both grandparents bought 57 Chevrolets. What a cool story. Original, man. I think they called this.
All right.
Part of the
15 minutes till we run, so I'm calling DOT stock. DOT stock to lanes 3 and 4.
2,900 bucks.
Stock to lanes 3 and 4. You'll see the numbers at the back of the lanes. Just make sure you go to 3 and 4.
Wow, he's even got the tow, the jacking instruction, and everything back here.
Yeah, right. Oh yeah.
That is beautiful. So weird. Got the word out. AC.
Car we saw coming down the freeway, he had taken these off. He took both those off and shaved it.
What's that?
One of the cars were driving up
Oh,
here,
took the birds off?
shaved all the
Oh.
birds and everything.
Did you see this Tartot battery?
Yeah,
It's a cover.
original.
It's a
Oh, is it a
fake.
cover?
Yeah, you can see it. See the
Ooh, it
cover?
looked kind of okay. I thought they still make them like that, don't they?
No.
Like,
No, Tartot?
no, like just for original cars. It
You
seemed
know,
like someone made-
I don't know if they do. They're probably very expensive.
yeah, like just for if you want the authentic look.
Right.
Neat story behind that, though.
Yeah, it is.
Here, I'll take. No, because that's in 50. No, those are black license plates. I was gonna want to see if the license plate was saying those are black license plates.
Yeah.